So it's time for me to change out the air filter. I got a Toyota FJ Cruiser, so I went with this Spectre I found on Amazon. It's a Spa-2281, and it's made by K&N. So it's K&N air filter for about 14 bucks. It's not a reusable one, it's a one-time, so it's not like cleanable or anything like that, but it should fit FJ Cruiser, Tacoma, Toyota Tacoma, and a Toyota 4Runner. It's made in China, and I think most of K&N's are made in USA, so this might be like their China brand or whatever, but it's plastic and looks a lot like the OEM one. Let's go put it in, pop the hood, and put this in real quick. Over here is where the air filter's at in this box. I'm gonna add a little bit more light. Really like these lights. It has a can pivot all directions, and it has a magnet bottom. So I'm gonna throw that up on the hood and add a little bit of light to the situation. Alright. So we're just going to take these two clips here. 1, 2. And it's just that easy. The pivot's kind of on the back there, and you just take the box off. Here's the old filter. Yep, it was time to change it. So, looking at this Spectre one, it looks pretty much identical. All the casing, plastic, the gasket. Want to make sure there's no bugs or leaves in there, so maybe wipe that down while you have the air filter out. And there's the Spectre. That red looks so good, doesn't it? You're gonna put those little tabs on the back there. And just gonna clip it back with the two clips. It's a little hard with one hand. Yeah. There we go. One clip and two clips. Wipe down this engine cover a little bit, and you got your new air filter in there. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.